It's a beautiful day here on the French Riviera. The light is incredible. The sea is a beautiful turquoise, and the sky is a brilliant blue. Even the buildings seem to glow in the sunlight. And now let's bring that same warmth and brightness right into your kitchen. Today we are making a Niçoise salad, a true classic of French cuisine. Here are all the beautiful ingredients that we will use for today's recipe. As always, we only use the freshest, highest quality ingredients in our recipes, because we believe that real food should taste like sunshine. First, let's prepare the vegetables. We have some ripe tomatoes, some crisp cucumbers, and a beautiful red onion. Don't forget the olives, a key ingredient in any Niçoise salad. Now let's get these ingredients ready for our salad. While the vegetables are being prepared, let's take a look at the star of our dish, the tuna. We will use 2 cans of high-quality tuna, but you can use fresh tuna if you prefer. Let's make sure it's sustainably caught. Now let's put everything together. Arrange the lettuce on a large platter. We're going to use a mix of green and red lettuce to add some color to our salad. And now let's add the tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions. We'll also add the olives and capers. For extra flavor, we're going to add some fresh basil and parsley. And now let's add the tuna. For the dressing, we will use some extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, and some Dijon mustard. Pour the dressing over the salad and season with salt and pepper. And don't forget the croutons. We'll add some toasted baguette slices for extra texture. And now the moment of truth. Let's taste our salad. It's fresh, it's flavorful, and it's perfect for a summer day. And now you know how to bring a taste of the French Riviera to your own kitchen. Try it out and let me know how they turn out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.